Today we will learn properties of multiplication. So let's see what are the properties of multiplication. Property of 1. In property of 1, any number multiplied by 1 is the number itself. So when we multiply a number by 1, we get the product, the number itself. Let me show you an example. 3 times 1 is equal to 3. See, we get the number itself. 3 is the number. When we multiply that number by 1, we get the number itself. That is 3. Let me show you another example. 23 times 1 is equal to 23. Whatever number we multiplied by 1, we get that number itself. 999 times 1 is equal to 999. So I hope this property of 1 is clear. Now let's move to the next property, property of 0. What is property of 0? Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So whatever the number may be, we multiply by 0, we get 0. So for example, 53 times 0 is equal to 0. 1 times 0 is equal to 0. 199 times 0 is equal to 0. So any number multiplied by 0, its product is 0. Now let's move to the next property. Order property. What is order property? When two numbers are multiplied in any order, the product remains the same. So let me give you some examples. 2 times 3 is equal to 3 times 2. So how? 2 times 3 we get 6 is equal to 3 times 2 is also 6. So 2 times 3 is equal to 3 times 2 is equal to 6. Now let me show you another example. 11 times 2 is equal to 2 times 11. So we know 11 times 2 is equal to 22. And 2 times 11 is also equal to 22. So when two numbers are multiplied in any order, the product remains the same. In whichever order we multiply the two numbers, we get the product same. 11 times 2 is equal to 22. 2 times 11 is also 22. So these are the basic properties of multiplication. So I hope this video is clear to you all. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe Math Only Math for more videos. Thank you.